Our project is a home security system. The objective of this system is to identify suspicious activities around the house and warn people. This is the module we made for system. Outside of the door, we have a PIR sensor, a doorbell switch, an LDR, and a light bulb. Inside, we have another PIR sensor, a vibration sensor, a reset button to stop warning, and a switch to tell the system whether people in or out of the house. Here we turn on the power supply. This charging module charges the battery and outputs 4.2 volt DC. It is stepped up by this boost converter and supplied to the Arduino board and the circuit. Now even the main power is low. The circuit is still powered by the battery. Now this is set to people inside the house. Now if someone comes from outside and doesn't press the bell, after a given time the system will automatically trigger. If the person from the outside presses the bell before the given time passes, the system won't trigger. But at any point, if they try to open the door, the system will trigger immediately. If it is night time, the lights will also turn on with the alarm. If someone from inside opens the door, the system won't trigger. And when the door is open, it won't trigger for anything. Now we set it to people outside the house. Now this will only trigger in an attempt to open the door. Also, a warning message will be sent to the mobile phone. And we can stop the alarm with this reset button on the app. If we press this deactivate button, the system won't trigger at all. So the owners can get in house without triggering the alarm. And if we press this activate button, the system will function as usual again. Some information about the components we use for this project. This microcontroller controls the operation of the system. This sensor is to detect motions. This one detects attempts to open the door. This module sends and receives SMS for remote warning and controlling. The relays are for interacting with the doorbell and lights in the AC system. This module charges and discharges the battery safely and supply uninterrupted power to the system. This is for stepping up the output from the charging module for the system. We mainly considered about the performance, cost effectiveness and power consumption when choosing these components. This is the basic cost analysis of our project. With other items like wires, resistors, switches, indicator LEDs and such, the total cost will be under 4,500 rupees. This system can be further enhanced in several ways. First, this prototype is for a single door. To protect the whole house, we have to implement multiple sets of sensors. We can also implement cameras and operate them more effectively. Like instead of recording everywhere all the time, when an action is happening, we can turn the cameras there and start recording. Also, electrical door locks and keypads can be connected with this system, so we can implement an automated door locking and unlocking process.